Hi, I'm Junior Hoops, the Family Advocacy Program Manager here at ACS. Back with you again to talk to you about this last week's tips of the day. This last week it was on coping skills for anxiety. So we've been talking about what is anxiety, the cycles of anxiety, healthy and unhealthy strategies, coping strategies for anxiety. Now we're going to be talking about some coping skills for anxiety, some healthy, really healthy ones that you can do for yourselves. You can look these up on YouTube. You can find these anywhere. So they're just great little techniques that you can do for yourself. The first one, I talked about it last week, is deep breathing exercises. These are things you can do anywhere. Again, you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4-second count, and then exhale for about 4 to 6 seconds. So you're going to breathe in your nose, hold, and blow it out your mouth, as if you're blowing on it like putting a straw in your mouth. You want to purse your lips and then blow out. So this is some deep breathing exercises you can do. The next one is a muscle relaxation technique. And I'm not going to go over the whole thing for it, but what I would recommend is looking it up on YouTube. So what you're going to want to do is put yourself in a comfortable position. Some people will like sit in a chair and kind of have their hands up, or they lay down. Like in yoga, they'll have you lay down on your back with your hands to your side and doing some nice deep breathing. You're doing your deep breathing, and then you're relaxing. You're tensing your muscles and then relaxing them. And you start one muscle group and you work your way through your body. So that's one, like I said, I'm not going to show you how to do that. That's something you can look it up. But it's a really good way to help relax your body and to a coping strategy for anxiety. The next one is challenging your negative thoughts, or challenging some of your thoughts. Is this thought real, or is this fact? Or is this based on fact, or is it based on feelings? Is this really truly a thought, or is this something that I have kind of brought up to myself? Imagining, oh, this person didn't talk to me, they must be really mad at me. Again, is that fact, or is that feeling? And that's what you have to do, challenge those negative thoughts. And then again, thinking, what can I do to change that thought? So if you're thinking, oh, Susie must be upset at me because she didn't speak to me, why don't you just ask Susie how she's doing, and then find out, oh, Susie hasn't had a great day. It had nothing to do with me. So again, challenging those negative thoughts. And the last one is imagination. Having that imagination, you get in a situation, you're like, oh, this really stinks. Put yourself in a situation that kind of like, you've heard people have said it before, joking, take yourself to a happy place. What's somewhere that you enjoy? And then use your senses of, if you're on the beach, feeling the sand in your toes, how would the breeze feel? And again, imagining what it would be like, and then bring yourself to that. What does it sound like? What does it smell like? What does it taste like? It depends on what the situation is. So these are all things you can do. So like I said, deep breathing exercises, muscle relaxation exercise, challenging your unhealthy thinking or challenging your thoughts, and then imagination. Like I said, my name is Junior Hoops. I'm the Family Advocacy Program Manager here at ACS. Please follow us on Facebook for our future and our past videos and tips of the day. Thank you.